My body used to be quiet, professional, respectful. Now, I stood up from the couch last Tuesday and my knees said, crack, like somebody snapped a whole tree branch in half. My hip popped, my back clicked, and my ankle added a little crack at the end like it wanted the last word. I didn't even move fast. I just stood up, like a regular person. Now, every time I get out of a chair, I sound like a haunted house opening for business. My body is out here doing sound effects. Nobody asked for this.